Hey everyone, and welcome back. We're diving deep today.
Into keyboard shortcuts.
Exactly. But not just any shortcuts.
The ones that matter.
Yeah, those little tricks that can seriously up your spreadsheet game.
Especially for all you learners out there.
Because let's face it, spreadsheets.
They're everywhere.
Sometimes they can feel
A little overwhelming.
absolutely. So today's mission,
We're going to unlock a secret
it's all about selecting an entire column.
in a spreadsheet.
Sounds simple, right?
It is.
But you'd be surprised.
How many people
Don't know about this.
or are still doing it?
A long way.
Yeah, dragging their mouse down like,
Forever.
ah,
I know. It works, but come on, there's got to be a better way.
there is.
So spill the beans.
All right, so we've got this pasted text here, right?
Our source material for today's deep dive.
And it claims there's this one shortcut
We're selecting a whole column.
in a spreadsheet.
I'm all ears.
It's Control plus space.
Wait, hold on.
Control plus space. That's it.
Seriously? That's all it takes.
Yep, simple as that.
I gotta be honest. I've been dragging that mouse down for years.
I know, right?
So tell me,
What can you do?
with a whole column selected like that,
Oh, man. The possibilities.
lay it on me.
Okay, imagine this. You've got years of sales data,
Thousands of rows.
and you need to color code it.
To make it easier to understand.
Exactly. So instead of clicking and dragging,
And hours.
you just hit Ctrl plus space.
Select the whole column.
Then choose your color.
And boom.
Done.
Just like that.
That's amazing. But what about deleting stuff?
Deleting.
Yeah, sometimes I need to wipe out a whole row.
Oh, I feel you.
And doing it one cell at a time is a pain.
You know, there's a shortcut for that too, right?
Really? What is it?
Shift plus space
Shift plus space.
selects the entire row.
And just hit delete.
Gone.
Wow, so Ctrl plus space for columns, Shift plus space for rows.
Your fingers are going to be dancing on that keyboard.
No more tedious clicking and dragging.
It's like a whole new world.
And it's so logical, too.
Right. Control plus space for vertical. Shift plus space for horizontal.
Makes perfect sense.
Like they designed it to be easy to remember.
They did, and it doesn't stop there.
There's more.
Oh yeah, the source mentions you can select multiple columns, too.
Tell me everything.
It's Ctrl plus Shift, and then use the arrow keys.
So I can grab like 5 columns at once.
Exactly. And same goes for rows.
This is a game changer.
It really is.
So for everyone listening out there,
Think back to a time,
when you were wrestling with a giant spreadsheet,
hundreds of rows,
maybe even thousands,
and you had to make changes to a whole column.
or delete a bunch of rows.
Wouldn't these shortcuts have been a lifesaver?
I know I could use them a million times.
Right. It's like suddenly
You have this superpower
you can control the spreadsheet.
instead of it controlling you.
And the best part,
It's just the beginning.
every program out there
Has its own set of shortcuts.
designed to make your life easier.
So go out there and explore, experiment.
You never know what hidden gems you'll find.
Exactly. All right, so let's recap.
Our 2 magic shortcuts.
General plus space for columns.
Shift plus space for rows.
Cool little keystrokes.
That can revolutionize how you work.
And who knows what other shortcuts.
Or out there just waiting to be discovered.
So until next time, keep learning.
And keep diving deep. Bye.